Hello, I'm Anthony. This channel is dedicated to the middle-aged amateur runner. I try to help you through your journey by sharing what I learned through mine. So maybe a friend or a family member texted you and said, hey, let's do a 5K. And you immediately responded with, heck yeah, let's do it. And then you put a couple of those emojis in there to make that person think you knew what you were talking about. And then you went immediately over to Google or YouTube and you typed in, how far is a 5K in miles? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how far it is and what you might be getting yourself into. But first, let me share just a few fun facts about a 5K. First off, did you know that the average age of a 5K participant in America is 40 years old? So, if you're a little bit older like I am, don't let age intimidate you, because you're probably going to be in the most popular age demographic on the course. Next, did you know that the average price of a 5K in 2019 in America was $28.22. That's not bad at all. That is a great price, especially to do a first race. You don't spend too much. That's like the equivalent of, like, I don't know, taking your kids out to McDonald's one day or something. The 5K is the most popular race in America, and second to that is the half marathon, which is a little bit further than a 5K. But don't worry about that yet. Let's just focus on the 5K. And this one I found quite interesting. To be in the top 1% of 5K finishers, you would have to finish less than 18 minutes and 24 seconds. That is an average pace of, let's see, 18, like 6:08, I think. Yeah, 6 minutes, 8 seconds per mile, which is crazy. That's like 6 minutes per mile. No, that's on foot. That's actually running on foot, 6 minutes per mile. Wow. Okay, last one. I found this fact so interesting because I'm a dog lover. I got my buddy Karma. He likes to run. So I was just curious, what's the fastest 5K done by a dog? And it was actually done in 12 minutes and 24 seconds by Ben Robinson and his dog Blake. 12 minutes and 24 seconds? Oh my gosh. Karma, we've got some work to do, buddy. We've got to catch that time. That's only an average pace of like 4 minutes. 4 minutes and 8 seconds, something like that. We can beat that. We can do it. Okay, so how far is a 5K in miles? So a kilometer equals 0.62 miles. Times that by 5, that's 3.1 miles. In my opinion, this is the perfect race to start off with. It's not too far. You could actually finish it relatively quick, even if you're walking. Or if you're a more experienced runner, it's one of those great races to go super fast in without worry about hitting a wall. And so yeah, it's a great first time race. Give it a shot. Text that friend or family member of yours. Let them know that you're fully committed to this, and have fun with it. Have a fun experience. My question of this video to you is, which 5K was your first one or is going to be your first one? Tell me all about it. I want to hear how your journey starts. Also, while you're down there, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button so we can take this journey on together. I'm Anthony, one proud middle-aged amateur runner to another. Let's run for this best life together.